Namaste to all the viewers and pranam to all my gurus at Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. I am Divya Dave, an alumni of Nalanda residing in Mumbai, India. I feel privileged to complete my MFA, Masters in Fine Arts, Bharatanatyam from an institute like Nalanda. My journey at Nalanda started after my 10th standard when I was eager to start my journey for dance. Nalanda opened its arms like goddess of dance and grabbed me into its arm like a mother. Hence, it's like my second home. Today, whatever I am, it is only because of the continuous knowledge, guidance, love, support which we receive from Nalanda, and I am proud to be called as a Nalandite. Nalanda is unique in its nature by not only providing a strong base of knowledge about classical dance, but also about standing strong to face various situations in our outside world. Nalanda is exclusive. It is through that every minute detail about pertaining it to Nritya or Abhinaya, starting from the very basic step to choreographing our own dances, from there on to learning Ashtarasas and Ashtanayikas, which gives immense knowledge about the aspects of Abhinaya. Additionally, Nalanda provided me knowledge of music and tala, which goes hand in hand with dance. Learning of Natuvangam, like playing of the wooden plank and the stick, and also the metallic cymbals. Today, as a teacher, this makes me very confident and self-independent. Unique subjects like musicology through light on the understanding of Indian classical music with its origin. Indian mythologies like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Shilpadikaram, which helped us at that time and also now, which is helping us in choreographing our ongoing productions. We have gained knowledge in Sanskrit language, and also we have learned shlokas from Abhinaya Darpanam. Nalanda has focused especially on nurturing student as a future teacher by teaching, learning lectures of master students. Nalanda believes in the Guru Shishya Parampara, and we are happy to take the legacy further into our students. I, from the bottom of my heart, feel privileged and thank each and every teacher, guru at Nalanda for sharing all the knowledge then and now also in the form of workshops and lectures. My learning at Nalanda is never going to end, and I feel fortunate about it as I keep visiting my home again and again. Namaste.
Namaste, my name is Dipali Salil and I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer. I finished my master's course from Nalanda. Even before doing the master's course, I have done the extensive 7-year hobby class course from Nalanda, and actually I've been a part of Nalanda since I was 7 years old, and it's been a journey. It's been so enriching that you don't even realize you're learning so much from there. After doing the 7-year course, I did Arangetram under Uma Miss. I finished my master's course 2 years back, and it prepares, Nalanda's course prepares you in such a way that no matter where you go, no matter which guru you're studying under after the course, you sort of just imbibe things so easily because the foundation laid by Nalanda is really strong. It's very concrete. They have a very integrated course there in terms, even not only in terms of practical study, even the theoretical part of it. It is amazing. It's not like when you go into other workshops, it's not like you don't learn anything. No, it's not that. It's just because they also, the gurus over there, they are giving their form of studies and experience in their way, but you seem to assimilate it very easily because the foundation is so strong. There are times where I'm like, oh God, if I go to such and such person, I'm not very sure whether, because their form of doing the dance form is so different. I don't know whether I'll be able to integrate my learnings and everything, but it just feels so natural. And I think it's mostly because of the way Nalanda has created its course, and the faculty there has been so passionately teaching there since so many years. You just tend to become, like the way they are. They just spread that love for dance into you, and it's very easy to carry it forward because you also love dancing. So I'm very, very grateful to Nalanda. Thank you.
Namaste, this is Mithila Padya. I have completed my foundation course, bachelor's course and master's in Mohiniyattam from Nalanda, and I feel very blessed that I have been a part of Nalanda 7 years, and I am very proud Nalanda, and I would like to thank Nalanda for giving me the opportunity to learn under the best gurus in the world. I like to thank my dearest principal, Dr. Uma Miss, and the most loving person in Nalanda who created Dr. Kanak Rele ma'am. It was a privilege. It was my privilege to learn my style Mohiniyattam in Nalanda University, and all the gurus who taught me to be a good person and a good artist and a good performer too. So I like to thank Nalanda to bring out my artist from me and a good performer from my inside soul. Thank you so much, Nalanda. And Nalanda has also given me the opportunity to perform in competitions and to promote Nalanda nationally and internationally. It feels so blessed that I have been part of many things from Nalanda. So I like to share one of the things I had performed in a competition, Kalpataru Festival. I have got first prize in solo in dancing Mohiniyattam. So that was the biggest thing that I made myself proud, and to be a proud Nalanda. Thank you so much, Uma Miss and Kanak ma'am, to give me this opportunity to perform. And I like to also thank Uma Miss for giving me the opportunity to teach in fine arts. The fine arts, as fine arts is also affiliated to Nalanda University. I teach there Mohiniyattam, and I feel very blessed that whatever I have learned from all my gurus and passing through my students, it feels so blessed that I have learned many things, and I want to share that thing what I have learned from Nalanda to many students, as well as I keep doing dance and perform. Thank you so much, Nalanda and Uma Miss, for giving me this opportunity, and I'll make Nalanda proud every time. Thank you so much.
I have done my masters in Kathak from Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, and it has been the best thing ever happened to me in my life. After leaving my full-time job, I was wondering what to do next. But I wanted to explore and to learn more in my Kathak field, and at that time I came across Nalanda. First thing which you will feel, the vibe which you will receive from the premises itself is of discipline. And I feel the first key of any art form is discipline. The way they have concentrated on syllabus, it is not circled on one art form. You can explore each and every art form, and you are free to explore with your own art form. The way they teach you, each and every teacher give you a real-time experience and not what is written in the book, and that make us connect more with that topic. I have learned and experienced a lot in my practical practice too. They have given me amazing stage performance. They given us to dance on amazing occasion, which helped us to groom.
and have a great experience in that field too. I can say one thing, that Nalanda has never forgotten their roots, the roots which has been imbibed in them from the start. I've always been overwhelmed with the thoughts of thinking that how much this institute may have gone through this phase when it was in the start, and now they have been a great platform for all upcoming dancers like us. I thank Nalanda. I take this opportunity to thank them, and with all the basic principle, I'm exploring more in this field right now also. And still, I must say, all my teachers and my gurus are being with me in this journey, even though I'm the alumna for right now. But thank you so much, Nalanda, and thank you for being a best thing for me. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Namaskar. A very warm welcome to you. Pranam to all my gurus and love to all my friends. I'm running Ritu Studio Performing Arts Institute. Myself, Ritu Manik, and I would like to share a very small thing, but very profound. Today, when I've been called by my students and parents that I'm a very good teacher, a good dance teacher, it is only and only because of my college. Because here, all the gurus make sure that the student is empowered enough to take a workshop of 400 children, 500 children, or to handle a crowd of 500 as well. But उतना confidence हमारे गुरु ने, हमारे सभी गुरुओं ने हमें डांस की शिक्षा देने की वजह से हुआ है. मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि आज अगर हम इस काबिल हुए हैं तो हमारे टीचर्स की वजह से, नालंदा कॉलेज की वजह से. अगर आज कनक मैम ने अगर ये कॉलेज खोला नहीं होता तो सचमुच इतने हजारों स्टूडेंट्स इस चीज से, इस आर्ट फॉर्म से दूर रह जाते. ये बहुत बड़ा योगदान है हमारे लिए, हम जैसों के लिए. दूसरी चीज, यहाँ का लाइब्रेरी सबसे बढ़िया है. आपको हर तरीके की बुक्स मिलेंगी पढ़ने के लिए. उन्होंने ये सेवा ना कि सिर्फ नालंदा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी की है, बाहर के एक्स नालंदा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी रखा है ये सुविधा, जैसे कि वो आगे अपनी पीएचडी कर सकें, आगे पढ़ सकें, अपना थीसिस कर सकें. इसके अलावा जिस तरह से कॉलेज को मेंटेन किया है, आज अगर हम कनक सभा है, हमारे पास एक बहुत बड़ा ऑडिटोरियम है, इट इज ओनली बिकॉज इट हैज बीन मेंटेन्ड वेल. आज हम हर साल वहां परफॉर्म करते हैं, एनुअल फंक्शंस होते हैं, नए नए प्रोडक्शन आई वुड से नए बैलेज, डांस ड्रामा प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ये लोग, हमारे टीचर्स, हमारे गुरु. और इसके थ्रू हम जैसे बच्चों को बहुत सीखने मिलता है. तो ये भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान है. यहाँ की जो प्रिंसिपल है गुरु डॉक्टर श्रीमती उमा रेले, वो सिर्फ एक बच्चों को पढ़ाई के माध्यम से ही सपोर्ट नहीं करती है. इमोशनली अगर वो दिखती है कि कोई बच्चा अगर डिप्रेस है तो वो डेफिनेटली कोशिश करती हैं कि वो बच्चे की प्रॉब्लम जानने की कोशिश करें. जैसे मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया नालंदा एट द एज ऑफ 35, इट वुडंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल विदाउट द एवर सपोर्टिंग, एवर encouraging principal, Guru Dr. Srimati Uma Reli, and all my professors. They were standing right besides me, and which is why I could complete at this age masters in performing arts. So yes, मेरे लिए my college is everything. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart that today if anybody compliments me, it's like compliment given to you. So thank you so much.
Namaste. This is Ramya Seshadri. I'm from Mumbai, India, and I practice Bharatanatyam. I am very honored to be invited to speak about my institution where I spent 7 years of my life. Looking back, I feel like when I got to Nalanda, I was like clay, malleable clay. I only knew that I wanted to learn to dance, and that was what I wanted to do in life. But I had no idea how to go ahead, what are the challenges, or what are the steps to take to reach where I wanted to be. And I feel like I'm really glad that I reached the doorstep of this institution, because now when I look back to where I am at, I feel like the curriculum, the way that it is formulated, gives so much for a person to grow. Not just in terms of the art form. Definitely, that's a huge plus point where you learn so much in depth, and you get to know your own art so well with the music, and there's rhythm, talam, there's theory, and there's so many other things that comprise this curriculum. But what stayed with me is the fact that it encouraged me to be curious, not just about what it is that I'm specializing in, but also about other classical art forms, about other dance styles, not just in India but also outside of it, like South Asia. There's Western ballet and everything that has a similar root, which has a strong history. So that was really interesting, and I feel like that I've carried through in life, where I'm always curious about learning new things, about things that could give me more insight into what I do, could help me grow into how I deliver this art form to children, adults, people who just want to know what it is. And I also believe that being in Nalanda helped me become a better person, because as artists, there's always creativity, which is a space of growth, but also somewhere where you can appreciate that there is a different perspective than yours, and how that helps you broaden your own horizon in terms of acceptance, in terms of respect, in terms of appreciation. So all of this is something that I've carried through, in spite of having finished my course of learning there. And I believe I'm very, very, very honored and blessed, truly blessed, to have been able to be a part of this
नमस्कार, मी शिवांगी निर्गुण. नालंदा नृत्य महाविद्यालयामधून मी भरतनाट्यम या शास्त्रीय नृत्यामध्ये माझं ग्रॅज्युएशन आणि पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन असं 7 वर्षांचं प्रशिक्षण घेतलं. खरं तर नालंदा नृत्य महाविद्यालयाची मी कायमच ऋणी आहे, कारण मुंबई विद्यापीठाशी संलग्न असलेलं शास्त्रीय नृत्याचं प्रशिक्षण देणारं ते एकमेव महाविद्यालय आहे. आणि यासाठी मी पद्मभूषण डॉक्टर कनक रेळेंजी यांची खूप मनापासून आभारी आहे. त्याचबरोबर या महाविद्यालयामध्ये आम्हाला प्रशिक्षण देणारे जे इतर गुरुजन वर्ग आहेत त्यांचे देखील मी मनापासून खूप आभारी आहे. कारण आज आपण जर का आजूबाजूला पाहिलं तर प्रत्येक क्षेत्रामध्ये काळानुरूप बदल होत असतात. अगदी तसेच बदल शास्त्रीय नृत्यात देखील होत आहेत. परंतु असं असताना आपली जी कित्येक हजारो वर्षांपूर्वीची जी नृत्यकला आहे ती विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत त्यांच्या मूळ स्वरूपात पोहोचावी, ज्याला आपण अगदी ओरिजिनल किंवा ऑथेंटिक स्वरूपात पोहोचावी असं सुद्धा म्हणू शकतो. त्यासाठीच इथले गुरुजन आहेत ते अथक प्रयत्न घेत असतात. मी स्वतःला खूप भाग्यवान समजते की अशा एका मोठ्या संस्थेखाली खूप मान्यवर गुरुजनांच्या हाताखाली मी प्रशिक्षण घेतलं. त्यांचे आशीर्वाद कायमच माझ्या पाठीशी आहेत आणि यासाठी मी नेहमीच त्यांची ऋणी राहीन. धन्यवाद.
Namaskaram. My humble pranams to all my gurus at Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. I am Sonam Vora. I post-graduated in Bharatanatyam in 2014 from the premier institution of dance, which I can proudly call my alma mater, Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. When I think back of Nalanda, it brings back memories of the rigorous training that we had there. rigorous training in adavus, in items, and the theoretical aspects that is the crux of any learning is extremely systematically taught there. The unique part of Nalanda is the uniquely and the deeply thought of syllabus that it offers. Subjects like Natya Shastra, aesthetics, poetics, mythology, religion, and what not. Everything that is related to the field of dance is taught by Nalanda. It opens a vast expanse of the possibilities and knowledge for students of dance. Nalanda made sure that we were well equipped with everything that we need once we step out of the cozy world of Nalanda. It has equipped us and trained us in a manner in which we can fly high and we can spread our wings. I thank everybody at Nalanda for giving us such a strong base on which we can build our own edifice of dance. I also thank Nalanda for giving me this opportunity to express my feelings for my Nalanda. Thank you very much. My humble pranams to everyone.
Namaskar. My name is Sonali Sunil Tambe. After my school education, I directly joined Nalanda for my further study in dance. I did full 7-year course, 2 years foundation, 3 years bachelor's and 2 years master's. I passed out in 2018. Nalanda has given me everything. It has molded me to become a better version of me as a dancer, also as a good person. Of course, Nalanda teach you everything about dance, not only practically, also theoretically, include music and talas. But also I wanted to mention Nalanda participate various festivals and wanted to highlight one youth festival which is conducted by Mumbai University. Nalanda not participate in a particular dance competition. Also they participate in music like Hindustani music, Qawwali competition, Rangoli competition, Mehendi, drama competition, street play competition. Also Nalanda conduct various workshops like acting workshops, color pattern workshops, which is really help for dancer. Now I am teaching at Fine Arts Society, Chembur, which is affiliated with Nalanda. I am really thankful for everything to our dearest Guru, Dr. Kanak Rele, our dearest principal, Dr. Umar Rele, and all my gurus to help me become a good dancer, good performer, also good human being. Yes, I am a proud ex-student of Nalanda. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी विघ्नेश महाजन. मी नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालय यामधून मास्टर ही डिग्री भरतनाट्यम यामध्ये संपादन केलेली आहे. नालंदामध्ये मी नृत्य, अभिनय, थेरी अशा विषयांचे शिक्षण मी नालंदामधूनच घेतलेले आहे. नालंदामध्ये मी नृत्य किंवा ड्रामा हे सादरीकरण करताना रंगमंच यावरील लागणारी लाईट, साऊंड, बॅकग्राऊंड याचे देखील प्रशिक्षण मी नालंदामधूनच घेतलेले आहे. लाईट डिझायनिंग, साऊंड सिस्टम, साऊंड रेकॉर्डिंग याचं वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचं शिक्षण मी नालंदा यामधूनच प्राप्त केलेले आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे मी नालंदामधील मॅडम आणि सर्व गुरुजन वर्ग यांचं मनापासून शतशः आभारी आहे आणि नालंदाचं सुद्धा मी शतशः आभारी आहे व आभारी राहील. धन्यवाद.